Whoa, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. For everyone who is new here, if I can speak. For everyone that is new here, my name is Lex and this is my makeup channel. But I'm sorry that this video is coming up so late. I completely forgot to film an intro. So this is me filming an intro for my soft glam makeup look. So no, this is not my makeup from the video. So you need to stay tuned to see how my makeup turns out. This is actually going to be my first time ever even trying the soft glam makeup. I've never done it before. So this is my first time and I recorded it. Was that the best idea? Probably not, but I do it for you guys. So if you guys want to see how my soft glam makeup comes out, please keep on watching. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I went ahead and did my foundation and my eyebrows. And so what I'm going to start with is I'm going to start with my concealer. I'm going to go into the eyeshadow lash just because that's our main focus point. So I'm just going to go ahead in with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. And I am just going to apply this right underneath my eyes. Now I have to apply two different shades because I didn't find my perfect shade. So I'm going to mix the two. And again, I'm just sticking to right underneath my eyes just so they can brighten it up. But not too much because you don't want like a super bright under eye. I'm just going to go in with my Real Technique sponge. And I'm just going to mix the two. And then I'm going to put some on my eyelid as well. I have the dark circles. I do the whole shebang. I do my under eye cream and everything, but just doesn't work. Okay, now I'm just going to set my eyes using the Laura Mercier setting powder. And if you watch my other videos, it's basically all the same products I use in those. I'm just going to go ahead and set my under eyes. There we go. Put a little bit here. I'm not doing too much here because, well, I don't think it really works for me the way it works for everyone else. So I don't put too much, but who knows. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the same setting powder I have and grab a big fluffy brush and set my eyes. So now you're supposed to use the same bronzer and contour you're going to use on your face. You want to use it on your eyes as well. I usually use my Anastasia one that's super busted and crusted. And I think this is what I'm going to go with. If I want to change it up, I have another bronzer that I use from Too Faced, so I might mix into that one, but we'll see. But right now I'm just going to use my bronzer and the Anastasia contour kit. I'm going to be using this one. And I'm going to start in the inner corner. And I'm going to keep it there, but I'm just going to apply the dark shade. Now, if you can see, I'm leaving my little oval part that I have naturally. I feel like most people have this natural little oval part. I'm leaving that there and I'm going right above it. And I am just going to bring that color back and forth. So can you guys see how I'm leaving this natural color right here? And then I'm just bronzing up the top of it. Okay, so now that we've gone ahead and do that, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wipe off this setting powder. Just because I don't really think that makes a difference. Because as it is, you can already tell, like, my face is pretty matte. God, don't we just love close-ups? My face is pretty matte, so. Okay, so now what I'm going to go in is I'm going to go into a deeper shade. And I'm just going to dip into this. And I am just going to slowly bring this down. I'm going to keep that nice shape we have at the top. And I'm just going to bring it down. And I'm just going to do this on both sides. So now going in with the first color that we used of the bronzer, I'm just going to blend the two colors together. And I'm not going to deepen it up too much, but just enough so you can see the depth. And then what I'm going to do is the same color that I have on the brush. I'm not even going to add more or anything. I'm going to bring the shades down to my nose so that it all blends seamlessly. I'm still learning how to contour my nose. I'm not the greatest at it. Again, I'm not even picking up extra bronzer or contour on this. I'm just using what I have on here. And then if it looks harsh at all, I just grab what I used for my foundation and I lightly tap it so that it looks like my nose. So now that we've already gone ahead and brought the bronzer and contour down our nose, I'm going to go into the James Charles palette, nude shade right here. I'm going to be going in with the flat brush. This is my BH Cosmetics 130, and I'm just going to tap into that. And without using a concealer or anything, I'm just going to go to where we started right there, where we left it open when we did our bronzer, and I am just going to follow that and put it all over my lid. I know it looks weird right now, but it'll look really pretty when we have our lashes on. Sorry if you guys hear the doggo. I know she's sad. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with the, unfortunately I don't have a brown liquid liner. I have yet to find one. I should probably just buy like a drugstore one and see if that works out for me. But since I don't have one, I'm just gonna grab a angled brush. I am gonna spray it with some Fix Plus. And I'm just going to go into a brown shade and cross your fingers that this works out. Okay, there we go. Now let me just go ahead and do this eye really quick. Okay, so now that I have finished both sides of the brown liner, this is what it's looking like. Let me touch up my face really quick because I was definitely touching my face while doing that, so. Okay, it looks fine. Okay, now I'm just going to go into the same contour shades that I used earlier from the Anastasia kit. I am just going to use both of them. Ow, my finger really hurts, guys. Yesterday I was doing dishes, and I don't know if you guys can see, I just sliced my finger with a knife while I was washing it. What I'm going to do with my contours, I'm just going to bring it from up, and I'm not going to go anywhere below that. Same thing on the other side. My Tarte Feisty blush. This one's just a little bit more soft. And it's a little peachy, but not too peachy. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this right on my cheekbones. And then a little bit up here, nothing too crazy, just so it all blends. And then I'm going to grab the blender I used, my beauty blender, my sponge that I used for my foundation, and just so it all looks seamless, I'm just going to blend the blush into my skin so it really looks like my skin. Can you guys see that? Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes. Okay, so my lashes are on. I went ahead and went in with a little bit of a more natural, softer lash. How many times have I used that word, softer? I went ahead and went in with the Batty Bee. These are in the style Baby Doll. You guys are not going to see that. But these are the Baby Doll. This is the Batty Bee. I think they're the synthetic line. But these are the more natural lashes. They're really pretty. They're not too much, but they're also something that you can see that they're on, and you can see that they're there. So yeah, really like these. I think all we have to do is put on a little bit of highlighter and just do my lipstick, and I think we can call it a day. So let's go ahead and do that. For this one, I'm gonna go in with my all-time fave highlighter. This one's no longer available, so I don't really even want to mention it, but this is the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. They don't have it anymore, so really sorry, guys. I went in with this one just because this one's a little more natural than my other highlighters. They're a lot more like boom in your face. This one's really pretty. The Morphe Continuous Steady Mist. And then I just grab my little tiny fan and I dry it up. Okay, lately I've been loving this lip combo. I grabbed it out of nowhere. I forgot I even had it, but I grabbed it out of nowhere and I just like fell in love again. I was like, where have you been my whole life? But this is the Kylie Cosmetics Dolce K lip liner. I'm just gonna line my lips really quick. And then I'm gonna go in with the KKW. This is her nude collection that I have from her. I'm gonna go in with the lipstick number 5. It's literally called Nude Cream, I think. Oh no, they're all called Nude Cream. It doesn't have a name. It's just number 5. So this is the nude number 5. Ooh, don't show that. This is the nude number 5. And yeah, I've been loving this lip combo. Okay, put this away. I wish you guys could see the mess that I make every single time I make a video or every single time I do my makeup, because it's just a huge mess. Oh, my hair is natural today, so please don't judge it. It is a mess. My hair could cooperate me, that would be great. This is the finished look. Let's bring you up close. This is the finished soft glam look. Do you guys like it? I will say this. Stay. I will say this, that I really like looking in the mirror. I really like this makeup look. I really do. But thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this makeup look, you like this makeup tutorial, please follow and subscribe down below so you can keep on watching more videos, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys!